Futurecast.
It's another warm summer day, warmer than normal for the high temperature, even as we've just hit noon. And those temperatures going to continue to climb. We'll be close to 90 degrees today, but the difference will come with the lower humidity, and that's making for a fantastic beach day. I just had low tide about 45 minutes ago. Still plenty of beach here as folks are enjoying both the water and the sand. Radar is quiet. We'll stay that way through the evenings. If you want to get in a few hours at the beach after work today, you'll find conditions to be very comfortable for that. Warm and dry. Things change quickly though. Tuesday, threat trackers back up into the medium level. Very muggy again. Scattered showers and some isolated strong thunderstorms in the forecast for Tuesday, and then threat trackers low on Wednesday. We're into the upper 80s in Tiverton right now. Winds mostly land breezes this noontime, so even the coastal areas, Newport's nice warm 84 degrees. Providence at 84 feels close to that air temperature around 87. Yesterday at this time we had this triple digit feel like temperatures, heat index values, and now 90 degrees feels a lot more comfortable. Never thought you'd be saying that, right? But the change has been in the dew point temperature. It's dropped about 10 degrees. Low and mid 60s is still muggy, but it's not the oppressive air that we had yesterday or what's moving back in tomorrow. Here's dew points for your Tuesday. Back into the 70s tomorrow, especially by the afternoon and evening hours, and that's going to lead to that very uncomfortable feel again. Also, the risk of some heavier downpours. This is what I'm tracking. It's a storm system, stretches all the way back into the Midwest. Heavy rain and flooding that stretched up from the Gulf Coast states into St. Louis this morning is going to be pushing eastward. Brief little reprieve from our area of high pressure will slide east and allow this frontal system to lift back to the north. Enough moisture and instability in the atmosphere to maybe lead to some strong thunderstorms. Marginal risk of that right now from the Storm Prediction Center over the Northeast. Here's the timing of it through the rest of this afternoon. Nice and quiet, mainly sunny skies. We'll start off the night mostly clear, but then increase the clouds by tomorrow morning. I think we'll make it through most, if not all, of the morning commute before we see any significant showers or thunderstorms coming in. But notice here, they're already starting to be scattered about over Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and then off and on in Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts from the late morning throughout the afternoon and evening, even potentially into your Tuesday night. So today's nice break from all of that. Don't need to worry about any storms for your afternoon and evening. 90 degrees for the high, then dropping back into the 80s. 85 at the beaches. Warm and muggy winds this afternoon will turn to the southwest. That'll cool you off a few degrees at the shore. There's that low tide at 11:32 this late this morning. Tonight down to about 70, increasing clouds with some patchy fog and humid conditions returning. Tomorrow's Futurecast will be in the mid-80s. Scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms. South-southwest winds will be a bit breezy, 10 to 15 miles per hour. After tomorrow, another chance for a lingering shower on Wednesday. I don't expect it to be as widespread as what we could see tomorrow at times. And the rest of the week looks pretty quiet. Thursday, Friday into the weekend. Temperatures in the low and mid 80s, still a little bit warmer than normal, but certainly not the 90 degree stretch that we've had since the end of last week. You're going to want to download the WPRI